into fuel. Save money, save the planet. Award-winning innovation, briquette maker, Manufacturer of the Year 2025, and Heating Innovation Excellence Award 2025. Turn your waste into premium heating fuel. From horse manure to heat. Transform stable waste into fire briquettes that burn hotter and longer than expensive store-bought logs. What costs you money to dispose of can now heat your home for free. From paper to power, convert newspapers, cardboard, and office waste into dense, long, burning fire logs. Stop paying for firewood when your recycling bin is full of free fuel. Why Multimate? Heavy-duty construction, built from 2 to 3 mm mild steel to last for years. Proven results. Over 1,000 presses sold worldwide with 0 complaints. Complete system. Everything you need from press to drying racks. Expert support, comprehensive manuals, video tutorials, and active community forum. Versatile, works with horse manure, waste paper, cardboard, and organic materials. Our range. MK2 press, our flagship model, perfect for regular home use. MKV press, larger capacity for serious fuel production. Tabletop version, compact solution for smaller spaces. Real results. 2-3 hours of consistent heat per briquette. Burns at 350 to 500 degrees Celsius, comparable to hardwood logs. 0 waste disposal costs for stables and farms. Complete energy independence from your own materials. From waste to wealth. Stop seeing horse manure as a disposal problem. See it as premium fuel stock. Stop throwing away paper, turn it into heating gold. Join the resource revolution where nothing valuable gets wasted. There is no waste, only misplaced resources. Quality German engineering. Built to last. Backed by results.